Bluebird All American. This is a 78 passenger. Let's check it out.
Alright, back inside. So first things first, step the Lucy. Grab a come in.
We're going to the driver area. Drive People Street. Automatic transmission. We've got heat AC, FM radio. The mileage right here it says 17784 miles. That means 804 because we're going to the dumb lights, panel controls right here, and also you guys are doing great. And then fan right here in number 1 and number 2 into Comex mirror. Got the push and brake right here. All this means the tunes. And yeah, in the back, this is a 78 passenger. We got the see with my what is we got the boom and also the works the terms and like that. In the back right here. We got Zoom speaker 6 second gonna be waiting the IO to emergency move hatch on the driver's side. And that'll do it for the inside. Let's check on the outside. Alright, tires around PX2. Got new of this backpack suitcases. Alright, tires. Looking pretty and neat. Alright, tires. Back here. And last but not least, number 4, driver's side tire. And last but not least, I have a Washington Safety Patrol sticker. Safety from 2024. This bus is right here in this on this bumper. And this is past just last year and ready to go. Well, that's the end. Thank you guys for watching this Northwest Bus Sales exclusive video tool. If you like this bus or any of us to call out, say 1-800-221-1799. Visit us at indebutbus.com for more details and daveboss.com. Thanks for watching.